In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn your text, images, and buttons into pop-ups using Mailerlite. We'll go through the steps efficiently, ensuring you have all the know-how needed to create engaging pop-ups for your audience. First, head over to Mailerlite's website. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to set one up. But for those of you who do, click on the login option at the top of the homepage. Next, choose to sign in with Google if that's your preferred method for a quick and seamless login process. Once inside your Mailerlite dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand side menu and click on Forms. This is where the magic happens. When you're ready, click on the Create Form button. You'll see options for different types of forms. For this tutorial, we're going to focus on creating a pop-up. So choose that option and then give your form a name. Remember, the name should be something descriptive that will allow you to recognize it at a glance in the future. After naming your form, click on the Save and Continue button to advance. You'll now need to select a group. Groups help organize your audience efficiently, so choose the appropriate one that this pop-up will cater to. With your group selected, click Continue. Now comes the fun part, selecting a template. Mailerlite offers a variety of beautifully designed templates to suit different styles and needs. Take your time to browse through them and select the one that aligns with your brand and message. Once you've found the perfect fit, click on Choose. Once you've chosen your template, you can customize it to suit your preferences. Edit the text, images, and buttons to ensure they resonate with your audience. You can experiment with colors, fonts, and even the placement of elements to make your pop-up truly unique. If you're satisfied with how it looks, click on Done Editing to preserve your changes. Now, it's time to set the pop-up behavior. Head over to the trigger section to decide how many seconds should pass before your pop-up appears after a visitor lands on your page. Consider the user experience when setting this time. Too early might be intrusive, while too late may miss potential sign-ups. You'll also see options for frequency and visibility. Frequency determines how often your pop-up will show to the same visitor, while visibility allows you to specify conditions like device type or specific pages where the pop-up should appear. Lastly, don't forget to click on Save Changes to finalize everything. And there you have it, you've successfully created a pop-up with Mailerlite that integrates your text, images, and buttons, ready to capture the attention of your audience. Thanks for tuning into today's tutorial. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy email marketing!